Okay, welcome back mga scalper. Another technical analysis for BTC. And wag na nga nating patagalin pa. Tingnan muna natin yung weekly time frame dahil kaka-close lang ng candle. So kung makikita natin, good news, nag-close ng green candle yung weekly and forming bullish engulfing. But silipin muna natin yung possible scenario sa lower time frame. So kung makikita natin sa daily time frame, approaching resistance, currently nagkakaroon yung BTC ng rejection sa resistance area natin. Kung makikita natin sa 4 hours time frame, nagkaroon tayo ng weakness which is lower high and currently bumabagsak yung BTC approaching support area. What we expect sa ganitong scenario, the moment na basagin ni BTC yung support, possible lumalim pa yung BTC, but the moment na may sumalo above the support area and breaking this resistance, possible it's only a continuation ng uptrend momentum, but the moment pakitaan tayo ng volume and magkaroon ng retest below support, possible to change bias to downtrend momentum.